YouTube channel. It's that time of year and we're pulling out our marooka. We've got 3,500 ton of sand to lay down. That's 120 tractor trailer load. Taking you in the shop. We're setting up the yellow beast, getting the excavator greased up, and taking you through the whole sanding process. Okay guys, so I'm here with my brother Nigel, and we've got this giant marooka. Check it out. So this is what we're going to use to do our sanding in the winter time. You guys are going to be able to see that. Nigel built this tailgate that goes on the back of it. And underneath you can see there's a rotor here. And that rotor lets the sand come out in a nice even layer. We installed the tailgate, and now we're going to lift it up, attach all the hoses and make sure everything's working properly. All right.
Looked at it, pump up the bathrooms, good group of guys. Just gonna take a look at it, see what we find out. Certified racer in Salisbury. That's a draw.
So things like beef, chicken,
Oh, yeah.
from the US.
That's it, awesome.
Stores are actually starting to.
So I take that wood out.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're all done installing the cables. Hydraulics are all set up. We picked a nice cold morning to start sanding. Minus 21. We're gonna go get this excavator, tractor warmed up, bring the marooka over. It's really cold out. This thing isn't starting, so I'm going to try to jump it. 24 volt system, so I need two 12 volt batteries. So I'll hook up my truck. I also have a spare battery in the back of the truck. Okay, so I have that battery hooked up. You can see I have two batteries in here inside the excavator. So it's a 24 volt system. So I have this one hooked up. And I got the one in my truck. Let's see if she'll start. Come on, baby. Okay, grab onto it. Let's go over here and grease up. Yeah, there you go. Get it on nice and tight. All right, pull the trigger. Good. Next one. Push it in. Okay. I think it's out. Try again.
Look, watch.
Okay, we're out of grease. I'll show you how to change the grease tube. Okay, there's your empty. We'll take this off. Get our new one opened up. Put this in.
Daddy, can I see the grease?
Yep, goes right in.
Full of it.
Put it in there. Screw it in. Okay, and we'll just hold it over top of that. I'm gonna try to get the air bubble out. Is it coming out? I think it is.
Oh, yep.
There it is. Okay.
Santa got me this for Christmas. Now I know how to help my dad.
All right, that's good. In here. Squeeze. Important to grease up. Greasing is a messy business. If you've got metal on metal, you're going to have a lot of wear after a while. So when you get that lubrication in there, it really helps. But the grease also keeps out dirt, keeps out moisture as well. So we do our sanding in the wintertime, obviously, because we can drive on the ice. Unfortunately, that means our sand can get frozen up. Well, here we are, getting our sand on. Beautiful day. Okay, things are going really good, guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we're gonna go fuel that excavator up because it is getting low on fuel. Here. Okay. So you good? Alright, who's gonna control it?
Me.
Alright, turn it on.
Then turn it on and make it up there fast. Ow, I hurt it.
Good job.
I like the horn.
Put that cap on. And the key. There you go. You should be able to pull it off now completely. Yep.
But when I get up there.
Okay.
Wait!
Now shut it off. Okay, good job.
Let's go, guys.
After a long week, it's nice to just go for a walk with the family. We're playing with the drones, having some fun. I'm gonna pull this tractor out. The kids want me to take them for a little sled ride, so let's do it.
Perfect.
All right, guys, that's it for this week's video. We'll catch you on the next one.
Like and subscribe. Here you go. Oh, hold up. Boy.